course. And he can't signal his turn behind me.
Someone's thirsty today.
It's for the office. I'm this week's DTICR.
What's that?
Designated Tim's
What
iced
the
coffee runner.
fuck is going on here?
Tim Hortons refreshing iced coffee, made your way with the same
destination.
And that's the shirt. Yeah, so it's a shirt for your t-shirt. It costs $1,500. And so, like, even the model in the picture was like, whoa.
Nice stop.
exactly what I picture.
Huh. I got Anita hanging out. How you doing, Anita?
This guy's not really parked here. Is he seriously parked
First
there?
of all, do you have a sunshade?
No. Who has the sunshade in your life? I work with a girl who's about 22, and she drives a Mercedes, so she has a sunshade.
Really?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Huh. Do you think it's her choice, or did like a parent or grandparent advise her to do that?
I'm not.
Do that for the front. Just have like something you pull off your dash that slides all the way up and you clip it in.
It's like a parking feature. You hit park and it's like...
Pretty sure I stopped before you did.
Down it goes.
Or just have powered glass, like tints immediately.
Or have air conditioning.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god, that was way too close. I'm pretty sure that was not a stop.
Boxing and we start to dance and I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead.
Jesus Christ!
Ladies, don't mind me, say boy, let's not
Turn left on Beaumont Avenue.
grab on my waist and put that body on me.
And he can't use a blinker. Fucking moron.
Turn right on Highway 625.
Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby.
What was that? I guess I don't even know.
We have the meats.
At participating Arby's for a
What
long time.
the fuck was that? That is so illegal.
I feel safe.
We're encouraged to speak up.
Road trips to Saskatchewan every vacation because my parents both grew up there. And we got a station wagon, no seatbelts.
The reason why young people are getting off Facebook is because they feel it is now a social media for their parents.
I think we all knew that. They weren't any part of that. Yeah, little grandparents really take it over. They take it over. Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, it's not too, when I'm trying to search for my Alberta brands.
Group, I'm sifting through a lot of stuff.
A lot of family photos.
No, I blocked them all.
Oh, you okay.
I blocked my
Nice
family,
blinker.
but I see everyone else's families. Right, yeah.
You do, like, you Snapchat.
It is high maintenance.
You do, though, because only one of us can have Snapchat on our phones.
Yeah.
And so Crash just Snapchats everything.
Do you get like anything, the Snapchat
This
give you
oncoming
like a
driver
cool,
isn't signaling
like
either.
a badge or anything, like a million plus club?
Yeah.
Turn left on 57th Street.
The hell?
I feel like Gary Collins on 1340 CJCM in my hometown of Salt Lake, Alberta.
Well, that guy's not signaling.
Every Friday morning. All we're missing is like ringing the bell at the end of the workday. Oh, it's Friday now!
Are you okay with being on the video, or do you want to be muted?
No, I'm fine.
You're fine. Alright. Well, this guy can't signal either.
People just suck at signaling.
People just suck, period. Oh, she's making an illegal U-turn behind me. Why can't anybody use a fucking blinker today? And I'm pretty sure you can't change lanes over a solid white line, you dumbass. Dumbass.
I can blow a check, tell me what it's gonna be. When they wanna go, they know all my money show.
Oh, nice stop.
Yeah, spin it and I get it same day, but hey, I didn't come here to party.
That's a red light runner.
I didn't come here to stay. I came to leave with somebody.
Great finding ahead there, buddy. What is this person doing? Why is this guy parked here? There are giant signs. There's one right there saying that you can't park there. This guy, that's a lady, and she clearly doesn't give a shit, and she's still in the car. Are you fucking stupid? What's this person doing? Oh, really? You're making a last-second decision? Fucking morons. Good thing they got a green arrow. And that was a right turn lane, old man behind me. That was red. Oh, got bad pedestrians. Wow. What?
Now you're on Cabo, hanging with your brother. Did you not want to tell me it's the end?
oncoming guy should really have some lights on. Look at this douchebag. Oh my god. That's an even bigger douchebag. What's going on with all the police cars here? Just coming out of the alley.
Tries to evolve. And user Vimo on the app says, OMG, I want to drive to the Cheesecake Cafe to snoop. Don't. None of you better show up there.
It's the Rachel Day Show. Join the conversation. 1023 Now Radio.
But if you do, please record it. Please record the whole thing. So while we wait, we talk about exciting surprises that you have planned for someone right now, and they don't even know. Or a surprise that you planned. Listen to this one.
Don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. Free. Don't be a strange. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. If you're under him, you ain't getting over.
Was I sitting at that?